That's the fried chicken spot, y'all. Right next to San Miguel live poultry. They think we here to rescue them. I'm ready to eat. Come on, y'all got the home fries coming up. Got some olive oil going on it.
The waffles are good. I mean, they just taste like basic waffles.
Okay, it's nothing like,
Nothing
these
special.
are the bomb. Okay. Check it out. Once again, man, I got that homemade halal sausage. I got the egg and cheese. I got the home fries. I got the toast. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We're out here on Orange Street, about to go to this spot right here, Coney Island. I gotta be honest, y'all, when I got out my car, I said it smelled like animals around here. And then I found out there's live chickens like 3 doors down, you know? So there must be a lot of like foreigners here that like they chicken like freshly net wrung, you know what I'm saying? I'm also here with another content creator, Sophia. What's up, Sophia?
Hey y'all, Sophia Lynn on YouTube, Sophia Lynn on TikTok and Instagram.
All right, we gotta put that all here, y'all. I gotta look it up myself and check out. Girl, you got a shine on your forehead.
I know, my big behind forehead.
That's why I wear my cap.
Oh my
I
gosh,
get that
camera
shade.
is so clear. What's that?
It better be clear. I paid $1,000 for this iPhone. Uh-oh, what's going on back here? Oh, we got the mangoes and the watermelon. How you doing? Hola, ¿qué tal? Y'all thought this was a game. Before we go in here, y'all, I want to go check out the chicken spot. That's the fried chicken spot, y'all. Right next to San Miguel live poultry. They may kick us out. San Miguel live chickens. They got the chickens, man. Where the chickens at? Where the chickens at? Can I see the chickens? Where the chickens at? Oh, the chickens back there, y'all. Look at the chickens. They back there. Got live chickens. I want some fried chicken. Look, they think we here to rescue them. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready to eat. She goes, oh, they got bunny rabbits too. Get back. They do not have bunny rabbits in there, y'all. She saw it. This is what it is, y'all. I'm out of here, y'all, before they come out with the hatchets. I'm running, y'all. Before they come out with the hatchets, I'm out. We're about to go up here, man, in Coney Island restaurant, breakfast all day. We're gonna walk up in here. I have bought oils. Hello, brother, how are you? All right. I have bought oils from here before, and they got incense. They got oils. If you sell oils and want to refill your stock, that's the owner, y'all. That's the man. We're gonna get some food here. That's mine, y'all. Got them home fries coming up. Got some olive oil going on it.
Space you have on your phone?
I got 500 gigabytes. Mother down there laughing at me.
That's a lot, right?
Size matter. I'm about to get my plate right here. There we go. Oh, you walking? Oh, okay. Okay.
Come on, brother. Come on. I want you to enjoy what you have.
We got to sit here. You should have got.
Enjoy your
Yo,
food.
Sophia got the chicken and waffles, y'all. I got their homemade sausage right there. The egg and cheese. Oh, I'm supposed to get grits.
Come on.
Okay, and we got the home
You
fries.
want cheese on it, right?
Yes. Got the toast, man. Let's get into it. I'm really hungry right now.
Cheese, fried chicken.
Uh-oh, I feel like I'm at a picnic now. He done brought out the picnic wear.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Presentation.
Thank you.
What'd you get today?
Salmon cakes, eggs and cheese over grits.
Is that your normal?
Nah, I get everything in.
Get everything, my man. Thank you.
Later, bro.
How long you been here?
1990.
1990? Why do you keep doing this?
Because I love halal and I love the people the way they treat me in Newark. I have a lot of families in Newark.
All right, y'all. We're here at Coney Island. Check it out. Once again, man, I got that homemade halal sausage. I got the eggs and the grits are coming up. I got the egg and cheese. I got the home fries. I got the toast, man. It's about, what time is it, Safia?
It's 2:10 p.m.
It's 2:10 in the afternoon, y'all. We're eating breakfast.
Right.
Y'all know breakfast work anytime.
And that's what they're known for, their breakfast.
I want to taste this sausage, y'all. This is their homemade sausage. You get sausage?
No.
This is really good.
It looks good, bro.
Really sagey. I'm gonna put some ketchup. Oh, you need some what?
Salt.
On my home fries. You need salt? Oh, it's
On
pepper
my
over here,
home
but no
fries.
salt.
Yeah. Oh, they
She ain't even taste
have
them.
the pink Himalayan salt.
She didn't taste the home fries first, y'all. My mother used to always say, taste your food before you put salt on it.
I did try it.
Hold
Did
up.
you try the home fries?
I'm going for the home fries right now.
Oh, I need some ketchup.
I need salt too.
See? Told you.
She laughing at me, y'all. They
Got
are
some
good.
hot sauce.
These are really good.
I'm gonna
They
taste a piece
think
of
of
chicken.
I'm reminded of the fries that go on the Italian hot dog. She going for the chicken, y'all. She looking serious. She just said,
It's good.
that's that fried chicken.
It's very hot.
Oh, is it hot? Okay.
As far as temperature hot. It's crispy. I like it. And it's seasoned right. You don't even need hot sauce.
What? She said you don't need hot sauce?
You could take one. I have a lot of chicken.
I'm about to take one. I'm gonna eat some. I'm gonna eat some eggs first. But y'all, I'm gonna get like Safia and put some salt on it.
Let's go in for the eggs. You really can't mess up eggs though.
I know, right?
Can you?
So if you can mess up eggs.
Oh. They're nice and fluffy.
They are fluffy. And you know what? I'm gonna be honest, right? He had them on the grill, but he must have turned the fire down. Coffee? No, I'm good.
No coffee.
Thank you. They are fluffy, y'all. That's what I was saying about the eggs. I thought they wouldn't be. I thought they would be too well done, but they're perfect. They are really good. Did you get cheese in yours?
Yes. Can you taste the cheese?
And part of it. Oh, I need to spin this around a little bit. Are them grits hot? The grits are hot. This cheese is just not melting as fast as I wanted to. That's a lot of grits too.
It is a whole plate.
Okay. I think I've eaten about everything, y'all. Let's mix it all together. Because some of y'all gonna be like, man, you gotta mix those home fries with the eggs. I already know all your comments before you comment. I love them all. I read almost every comment.
They be telling you how to eat.
Yeah, they tell me how to eat. I should wash my hands. You ain't pray yet. You got to pray. This was a good choice.
It was. At first you wanted to go to.
A lot of different places.
Right. He is so undecisive, y'all. I did not know he was this undecisive.
I'm always undecisive with what I want to eat that day.
Yeah. Me too. I'm the same way.
But I can eat fish and fried chicken every day. Oh, I gotta mix
Let me
some
get
grits
into
too.
this waffle.
That cheese is melted up in the grits now. You had the chicken, you had the home fries, you had the fish, the chicken.
I just didn't have the waffle
Oh, she's dripping, y'all. She had a serious look. I need to start getting serious when I take that first bite. Be like, We're gonna try chicken
Let's
wing.
see.
Tell us how the waffles are first.
The waffles are good. I mean, they just taste like basic waffles.
Okay, it's nothing like,
Nothing
these
special.
are the bomb. Okay. Okay, these chicken wings are small, y'all. And y'all know I like the smaller wings. Did you put any hot sauce or anything on them?
Not on, no. On my piece, yeah.
I like that. You're right. Oh. Whatever grease they fried this in, I like it. What them fries he was frying? Oh, this is really good. I'm gonna put a little hot sauce on mine, so. Oh, I have to reach past our camera. I wanna make sure I don't get hot sauce on the wrong thing. I do like them too. I thought she was playing with us when she said she liked them. Okay, would you rather have this chicken than Ambassadors? Would you rather have this chicken or Ambassadors?
I would just say Ambassadors only because I like my chicken a little bigger.
Okay. Okay. These are like little wing flings for real, like.
Yeah. Like little party wings.
Because the Ambassador's wings are small, so y'all kind of know what we're talking about when we say one of the wings are small, but they taste delicious. Whatever you do when you come here, get their homemade halal sausage. There's a lot of sage in there.
And what did he say about the casing?
He don't use casing sometimes because it's not halal. If he can get the halal casing, he'll use that. I asked for butter on the toast. He said, no, try the olive oil. I want some jelly now. I'm going to have to use some syrup. Am I talking too much on your video?
No. It's good. Very engaging.
I might just drink water. They've been here since 1990. Don't ask me how long the chicken place been here next door.
Did they renovate it or remodel it?
I don't even know.
The
I didn't
sign
know.
looks new.
Oh, you know what?
The sign is like wrapped around the whole corner.
There used to be I'm talking about the live chicken spot.
Oh, the live chicken.
The poultry. Chickens run around in there, rabbits. They used to be down the street. I remember them. I used to live in this area. Do I still live in this area? Kinda. Is this considered the north side once you cross Orange Street? Yep.
He did not skimp out on the plate.
Oh, let me eat some more grits.
And the prices are good. It's not expensive. I think the chicken and waffles alone is like $12.
$12?
But look how much chicken he give you.
Scale of 1 to 10, y'all. I'm going to give Coney Island on their breakfast an 8. I was really happy. Customer service has been really great. The people coming in, they always said they had a great experience here. And one cat that was here said he's been coming here since 1990, way before my time. No, I'm just kidding.
Way before my time.
Way before Safia's time.
I was not thought of.
1990, I had already gotten out the Navy. Wow. Wow, you old, girl. Well, I'm going to sign off, y'all, and sit here and eat the rest of my food. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you've been hanging with the wrong people. We love you, cats, man. We'll see you at the next one. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Subscribe to Safia's page. We'll put it up right there. What is it?
Yes, Safia Lynn on YouTube.
Safia Lynn on YouTube.
And Safia Lynn on TikTok.
Okay.
And __ Safia Lynn on Instagram.
__.
And I hope to see you guys at the film festival.
Y'all better come to the meetup, man. I don't know if I'm gonna have this video out by then.
Oh, God.
October the 10th, 4:30. She's gonna be on the panel October the 11th.
Yes, I would love to see you guys and meet you guys.
Mm-hmm. The content creators panel.